everyone, my name is Marissa Knight. I'm a local hairstylist here in Reno, Nevada, and I'm going to go and show you some simple boho styles that you can do for Valentine's Day or any special occasion that you have. Alright guys, I have my client Michaela here, and we already started by waving her hair, and then I teased it a lot as well. What I'm going to do is start right in the back here, and we're just going to take like an oval section on the top, and I'm not going to use a brush to comb it back. I'm just going to use my hands. I'm going to take a clear elastic, so then I'm just going to use my fingers and pinch it just to pull it up a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is just separate the hair right here and just flip it inside. Like so. And then I'm just going to pull on it and start pulling it out. Now I like my hair super messy, so I feel like you can't pull it out too much. But if you don't want it as messy, then you can just slightly pull it out. But I like to pinch the corners and pull it out, as opposed to just grabbing the whole piece. And then I'm going to do the same thing from the front. Just keeping and taking sections. Michaela does have NBR extensions as well, so she has a little bit more hair to play with. So I just grabbed two pieces on each side, and I'm going to do this 3 times, and each time I'm going to get closer to her face. You can leave as much of the hair out in front of your face as you want, or you can bring it all back, whatever you'd like. And then I try to keep them close so that way you don't see the elastic. But if you do, you can always wrap a piece of hair around it. You can put a clip there. There are a lot of different options. And with Michaela here, I'm going to leave a small piece of her hair out around her face because I think it looks really soft and girly. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I already created all of this hair that is been up, and I'm going to leave all of this down. So I'm just going to cut this in half. And I'm going to take this top one and split it in half. Take the bottom one and pull it through. Another elastic, put it on the bottom, and then you'll just pull it out. And right now it looks a little funny, but the more that you do that, it's going to start looking like a braid. So now this one's on the top, so now I'm going to split this in half and do the same thing. So this braid is essentially just a bunch of ponytails. See, like the more that you do it, the more that it starts looking like a braid. So now what I'm going to do is take a piece of her hair, probably just this last piece, and just wrap it around. Now if I don't know you can see, but there's an elastic right here, so I'm actually going to take these cute little gold clips from Free People to go ahead and disguise it. And there it is. Cute little half up boho style braid for Valentine's Day. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed my take on a half-up style that's a little bit more boho for Valentine's Day. If you are looking for more of it, go ahead and like and subscribe below. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Marissa Knight Hair. And I hope you have a good rest of your day.